Here we go, everybody. Trader Joe's Alfredo pasta sauce review. Hi everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. In today's video, we're gonna review Trader Joe's Alfredo pasta sauce. This is what the sauce looks like. It's on the cheaper side, about $2.99 at Trader Joe's. I do have two videos on Rayo's roasted garlic Alfredo and Rayo's regular Alfredo pasta sauce, and both of them are awesome and amazing, but at much higher price point. So this is about $2.99 and the Rayo's Alfredo sauce is about $8.99. But we will use Rayo's fettuccine in this video to pair with the Trader Joe's Alfredo sauce. And I will add some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese and the best butter of all, Kerrygold Irish butter. Let's make lunch. Here we go, everybody. Trader Joe's fettuccine Alfredo. It looks real good. Looks amazing. Let's eat. All right, time to eat. This meal took I cooked the pasta for 13 minutes, and it took about 2 minutes to make the sauce and put everything together. It looks great. It looks delicious. Let's see what happens. There you go, Trader Joe's Alfredo pasta sauce review. It's good. Creamy, buttery, peppery, everything I love about good Alfredo sauce. Now, I added all the extra butter and pepper too to the sauce because that's the way I like it. It's just the way I like my sauces. Are heavy and tasty. You don't have to do any of that. You can just shoot it straight from the jar. It's very good. It's very good. Is it as good as Rayo's? No, it's not. But it's very good. If Rayo's is 100%, this is 85%. And for the price that you pay for Trader Joe's Alfredo sauce versus Rayo's Alfredo sauce, this is way better deal. You can probably buy 3 of these for 1 Rayo's. Delicious, delicious Alfredo sauce. Buy one of these, make it the way I make it. You'll save yourself $20 instead of going to a restaurant. And don't forget, you can always add chicken, broccoli. You can play it many ways. As always, thank you guys for watching Parks and Pizza, and I'll see you in the next video.